Hey, what's up guys? So I'm back. I went through some difficulty yesterday turning on the car. One of the grounds I didn't connect and I thought it would be fine. I've never really done headlights like these, so basically I didn't, oh my, it's so hot in here guys. Basically I didn't connect one of the ground cables, so right now I'm about to take out the passenger side headlight, which is the one that's messed up. And I'm just gonna instead of adding the new backing that doesn't have that ground connection, I'm just gonna put the old backing of it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like in a sec, and just put the old one because obviously the new one doesn't have an attachment for the ground. So let me go take out the headlight, and then once I have the headlight out, I'm gonna transfer everything that I need to from the old one to the new one. So I'll be right back. Okay, so basically what my blind dog just ran into this. What I need is basically just like a ground that sits just about right there. Alright, so I swapped out this connector with this little thing. I forgot what it was called, but it had this little bracket for the ground, which is amazing, that the other one didn't have. See, it just literally doesn't have it. I don't understand how they want you to attach the ground when there's literally nowhere to put it. I mean, I'm sorry if I'm wrong and if you could have put this in another place, the ground cable, but yeah, that just didn't work out wherever I put it in the body. But now that we have everything situated, everything is on, I just need the cap and then we can just put it back. I like to clean it up with some zip ties so everything's tight. Yeah, let's go put it back on the car, connect it, and then see if it even turns on before we put everything back. So I'll be right back. Let's hope it turns on. Alright, well, I should not. As soon as it stopped recording because I didn't have enough memory, I just had to delete a video. It literally turned on. I got so scared it wasn't going to turn on for a sec, but everything's fantastic. Alright, so I'm going to put everything back. I'm going to put the bumper tight, put the headlight tight, and then we can go ahead and I'm going to drive it somewhere. I'm probably going to go clean it and show you guys how good the headlights look. Hey guys, so we're at the wash. When I turned on the headlights, it's so annoying. The low beam doesn't work, but the high beam does. It's the same thing that would happen with my old headlights. Yeah, this is so annoying. I'm gonna clean the car first and then fix that later. So let's clean the car.